Hi everyone! Today we are making Tenkasu, deep-fried tempura batter. These crispy bits are used in many Japanese dishes like Takoyaki, and they are great toppings for soup and noodles. Ingredients are simple: water with vinegar and all-purpose or cake flour, and oil for frying. We mix water and vinegar and add the flour, and whisk. When we make tempura, we try not to overmix, but here you can mix until it's smooth. Heat the oil at medium heat, about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Using several chopsticks, drop the batter in the oil like that. Instead of chopsticks, a silicone brush would work well too. When it starts floating on the surface and browning, scoop out and set on a paper towel. You can keep tenkasu in the freezer for a few months or eat right away on noodles, soup, or rice. It's so easy, versatile, and tasty.
美味しい。
美味しいね。